That's a myth and a lie.
But this spring and early summer is kind of based on NOAA weather patterns and a lot of research that we're doing is kind of looking like it could be a little rougher than previous years. So just to keep your head on a swivel and if you get hit multiple times, as we've explained before, you got two different claims, and so it's important. Even if you think more storms are coming, if you got damage from this last one, it's important to get that fixed.
It'll total.
So
you get hit twice.
You're not getting totaled, and you're not having to file multiple claims and pay multiple deductibles, etc. And hopefully this isn't a bad storm year, but from all the models we're seeing and kind of tracking, there's a potential out there that we could be getting hit here in the metro area, kind of later into the June, July timeframe, which has not been the case the last few years. And knock on wood, so far so good this spring, but just this week, what we're seeing could be
looks pretty volatile.
Could see some extreme weather. So
just to reiterate, how insurance companies get paid back, just so you're aware, there's a lot of companies out there advertising that these claims don't raise your rates. Well, that's a myth and a lie. Your rates are affected. So the way that it works, the insurance companies spread the losses across the zip codes that were affected. So let's say that you had X insurance and your neighbor had the same insurance and their car was in the garage and yours was out. Their rates are going to go up the same amount as yours. Whether they file a claim on their car or not, it doesn't matter. So the insurance companies always get paid back. And back on the weather, that I was going to say an interesting statistic, and there's only, I think it's like a 37% chance right now that we go into at the end of summer, fall. They're calling it a super or ultra El Nino weather pattern. And the last time that we saw a weather pattern this strong was in 1877.
Interesting fact.